Hey guys, Caleb's Catches here. Alright, we're back at the Dayton boat dock. Gonna do a little bit of night fishing. It's actually fairly late right now. It's like 1:30 in the morning. So, hoping the fish are biting good and we're just gonna go from there and see what happens. I'm gonna lower my depth here because my slip is like super high up right now. Because that's probably not deep enough, honestly. There we go. That's probably a good start. We got a double minnow rig. I'll pull it closer just so y'all can see that. So they're about a foot spaced apart. We're just gonna see what we can do. Good old slip bobber rig. So let's do this. And the only reason I'm willing to step away from my other rod is because like nothing's happened. Okay, so it is 7 feet over there. That's not very deep at all. See if I can get my light working. It wasn't working last time. Sweet. So we know we've got a stable connection. 6.7 feet. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I can go off of that info. Yeah, that's not the current. That's a hit. That's awesome. Come and take it. I don't know. I said that was a hit. Oh, yeah, it's definitely a hit. There's no way the current just started moving that fast. Got him. Oh, got him. Bluegill. I knew it by the way he was biting. Measure him. So we got us a 7-inch bluegill to start the night. Thanks for playing, buddy. There he goes. Alright, we're definitely off the side of that, so that's good. Damn it. That's a fish. What is that? That is the weirdest. Is that a shellcracker? That's the weirdest shellcracker I've ever seen. Look here. Is that a red-eyed bass? Huh. Guys, I don't know. It's got like the red mark of a shellcracker. That pattern though, I don't know. It's got some sharp inner teeth too. It looks like the cross between a shellcracker and some type of bass almost. Huh. It's an interesting little catch, whatever he is. I've just never seen one with that pattern. So I'll get down here so y'all see him. I mean, he's got the red thing like a shellcracker, but he's got a really weird pattern. 6.5 inches, whatever he is. See, he's almost got like the rock bass pattern, but he's got a red eye, or like a mark like a shellcracker. Huh. Well, I'll return him to the water. Like this part right here on his mouth is really rough too. Ouch. So pretty cool fish. Okay, buddy. Thanks for playing. There he goes. Huh? Well, guys, I have to admit that was a very slow night of fishing. I got out here about 1:30 in the morning, started fishing, and I fished till about 5 a.m. Only 2 fish, unfortunately. Caught that bluegill, and I did identify what that fish was. It turns out it's a rock bass. I have only caught one of those in my time fishing, and it was in Piney Creek. I didn't even know we had rock bass in Lake Chickamauga, so that was a surprise to me, but definitely showed why I could not get him on the hook every time I went to set the hook, because he was so small. So, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. If that subscribe button's red, make sure it's great, something missing the upcoming content. We got some nice announcements coming up here soon for some content next year. But as always, y'all get out there, do some fishing, be safe, have a good time. And this is Caleb's Catchers reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish, one cast at a time.